Hi! Let me introduce you to a new wonderful world of creativity. First, there was a word. You would wonder, how is it possible to make from these few words into something special like this beautiful, wonderful girl by just telling an AI to make a job? You will see how to create new art using the frontier development in AI and make a living. To arrive at a magical place, you have to go through the forest. In other words, to get started, you have to download and install Discord. Let us ask our AI, what is Discord?
Discord is a VoIP and instant messaging social platform. Users have the ability to communicate with voice calls, video calls, text messaging, media and files in private chats or as part of communities called servers.
Now you know what is Discord. On this platform, we have a community called Midjourney. So let us go to this text-to-image AI by clicking Join the server. First, we have to register by clicking Register. And after that, you will have to fill in a simple form to create your account. We have just entered the platform for the first time. This is how the Discord looks like from within. Let us explore. Now we can join public services of Discord. We would like to join Midjourney, the official server for art and text-to-image AI, where your imagination is the only limit. It is unquestionably the most advanced text-to-image AI currently available. There are already more than 1 million users online. We see the greeting message from the Midjourney. We are almost ready to start. Move your mouse to the top of the screen and confirm that you would like to join Midjourney. As soon as you have done that, an email will be sent to you for a confirmation. This is a normal verification process. Go to your mailbox and confirm receiving of the message. Done! Discord sends you a confirmation immediately. Now you are a member of a fast-growing community. It is time to talk and hang out with your fellow members. This is a Midjourney beta version. As you will see, Midjourney would like to expand its community and gives everyone a limit of total 25 queries to try it out and create your own art. Then you will have to buy a full membership to continue using its services. I will go through all the membership options in detail later in this video. To try it out, let us join one of the newbie bot channels, where we can simply type a text with a description of a picture we would like to generate. The process is simple. In a prompt, type /imagine, then press space and enter your text. The bot will send you 4 pictures in about 60 seconds. Let us join Newbies 177. You immediately see the results of queries of other members. One small step before we start, the bot sent us a message. The terms of services must be accepted. I agree to them by clicking Accept Terms of Services. At the prompt, at the bottom of the screen, let us type the command to create our first AI art. It always starts the same. Type / then imagine, press the space key, and how about this text? Dark mystique forest with fireflies flying around. Now you see, our query was accepted and a picture was created. It is a set of 4 versions of a picture I have described in the requesting query. That is how it looks like. Our query result is highlighted with a murky yellow color. Let us check our work. You see 4 pictures that the bot generated based on our description. It is already looking pretty stunning. The program allows us to select any or all of the 4 pictures and make either a variation or an upscale of them. Let us try to upscale the picture number 4. As you see, we have options: V4 or U4, variation or upscale. To upscale, click on U4. As there are a lot of members simultaneously trying the process, a lot of pictures are being generated. Accepted request is immediately dropped at the bottom of the all other requests, so you have to scroll down to find your yellow highlighted request. We are now making the upscale of the picture number 4 to get a more detailed and completed version of our original result. The upscale of our picture was just completed. Let's see what we have got. Yes, indeed the picture now has more details and it got bigger. I like how artistic the dark forest looks like. You see more roots, the tree barks are more prominent, the branches are better rendered, and the fireflies are better distributed. By the way, you also see the smiley faces under the picture. Midjourney provides additional free hour for fast generations of pictures for a 1,000 best tippers of smiley faces every day. So your active participation is encouraged. You can also save the image, copy the image, or open the image in a new tab. Or you may open it in browser and save it from there, whatever is more comfortable for you. Let us now try to make a variant of one of our 4 pictures. The order of the pictures are 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us make a variant of picture number 2. Click V2 to produce the variant. Here we go, the variant is already produced. It consists of 4 additional pictures which have derived from our original picture with some differences in each. How about to add some additional parameters to see how our picture will change? For example, let us write the following at the prompt. As usually, we start with / then imagine, press the spacebar and write. A traveler in Middle Ages clothes walking in a dark mystique forest with fireflies flying around, holding a lamp. A moment and you see the bot received our query and the status at the moment is waiting to start. You actually can see how the AI trying to create the art guided by your description. The forms are not clear, and at the status you see 0% completion. Slowly you can see the shapes are getting formed, some light effects, and the completion is changing to 31%. The picture is transforming. Look closely. Now the completion status jumped to 62% and now to 93%. As soon as the job is completed, it is moved to the very bottom of the list. So look for your picture by scrolling down through many other works of art of other members. Here we go. We have just made our new picture with additional details to the description. You can get amazing results and stunning pieces of art by adding additional parameters to the end of the prompt. For example, add stylize or S parameter to produce images that favor artistic color, composition, and forms. I will cover all the parameters and their effects on your art in a special video. In the meantime, I would like to tell you about a neat trick. How can you find your generated art? As you will see, there are so many queries, so your work is lost. Do not worry, there is a better way than just endless scrolling. Go to the upper right part of the screen. You will see a picture for your inbox. Click on it. There you have 3 parts. 1 for you, 2nd unread, and the 3rd mentions. If you click of the mentions, you will see all art you have produced so far. You can access it from there, or jump to the timeline when you have created them. Another part of Midjourney experience is its documentation. It is a treasure for a curious mind. I recommend having a brief look. Go to the upper part of your screen and click at a link in the middle. You will be directed to this page, Midjourney Documentation. Click on Quick Start Guide. Now you are at a treasure box of possibilities. It tells you how to join Discord, find a newbie's channel, how to start making your own art, the prompt and the query format, how the job is being processed by generating 4 pictures, How to upscale or create your variations. Upscale means to generate a larger version of the selected image and adding more details. Variations will create slight variations of the selected image, similar to the style of the original. Rate image. As soon as you make it upscaling, you will see 4 smileys. You may want to click a smiley to rate any image on the Midjourney. Each day, the top 1,000 image raters receive an hour of free fast mode time. You can also save your image. Subscribe to a plan. There are 3 available options. Basic plan with $8 per month, Standard plan with $24 per month, and Pro plan with $48 per month. Remember that your trial expires after about 25 or 27 job requests. If you have time, definitely go to User Guide and check the parameters. Here is the list of all parameters, but let me show to you a few most interesting ones. Aspect ratios. You can change the width to height ratio of your image by adding a command at the end of the query of ER and your selected aspect ratio. It impacts the shape and composition of a generated image. For example, 1:1, 5:4, 3:2, 7:4. Chaos. By adding --chaos or --c and a value up to 100, you will produce more varied and unexpected results each time the job is run. Now, quality can also be changed by adding --quality or --q will determine how much time is spent generating an image. More time spent, more details will be rendered. Higher quality settings aren't always better. I will review all the parameters in another video. Let us look at the policies as well. More precise, terms of services. This is important when the customer proceeds to use the services or to receive or distribute assets. Age requirements. You are at least 13 years old and meet the minimum age of digital consent in your country. Your private information, copyright and trademark. At this place, I would like to talk to you about something important, your rights. First, if you are a paying member, you own all assets you create with the services. Upscale images of others, still owned by the original creators. Even if you cancel your membership, your ownership persists. I want to stress the fact that you do not own the assets if you fall under the exceptions. If you are an employee or owner of a company with more than $1 million a year in gross revenue, and you are using the services on behalf of your employer, you must purchase a Pro membership. If you are not a paid member, you don't own the assets you create. Instead, Midjourney grants you a license to the assets under the Creative Commons Non-Commercial 4.0 Attribution International License. License grant. Subject to the terms and conditions of this public license, the licensor hereby grants you a worldwide, royalty-free, non-sublicensable, non-exclusive, irrevocable license to exercise the license rights in the licensed material to reproduce and share the licensed material, in whole or in part, for non-commercial purposes only, and produce, reproduce, and share adapted material for non-commercial purposes only. I advise you to familiarize yourself with the Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial 4.0 International Public License, as I am providing you with just small part of, not the entire document. I hope you liked the video, and it was instructive. Now you know that if you're using Midjourney for free or a trial account, you can use the images for personal use only and must give credit to Midjourney. You aren't allowed to sell the generated images or make money off them. But if you have a paid account, you can use the images however you want, including commercially. I am sure you have asked yourself how one can make money with an AI art. First of all, Now you have the AI art publicly available. Second of all, now you can create fantastic images, where your imagination can take off and fly. Once you subscribe for a paying plan with Midjourney, you also can sell your art, for example, on ArtStation or DeviantArt. By the way, Midjourney art is still very young, but its art is already being sold. If you are just testing and quite new to the monetizing of your art, a website with your pictures can go very far. Start with creating your own art portfolio. You can be discovered by interested parties, and they could offer you work opportunities. You might be interested to look into making an online shop and funnels. There are actually a lot of possible ways. Keep an open mind and keep your creative spirit burn bright. You will be noticed. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. I am going to make several more chapters discussing in details the Midjourney art parameters with many examples and an extra video on how to make money with AI.